Testosterone is the symbol of power for a man. High level of testosterone always shows that a man is getting girls, has good strength, and can probably beat your ass, which has the testosterone level of a fucking woman. Testosterone is the single most hormone for boys who wanna become a true man. A man that has status, can focus intensely on anything he desires, and dominates other men to the point nobody can lift a single finger at him. But testosterone has been declining in our modern society due to men becoming more feminine through fucking LGBTQ gay community, plastics, and no purpose or goal to attack at all, just distractions. The average man's testosterone today is less than half of the amount their great-grandparents had. Men aren't even fucking men anymore. Only a small percent of males can be called men that actually have the power of testosterone in them. But you aren't even close to them, are you? By now you have probably done a few research, watched a few videos, but still couldn't reach your testosterone. So here are 6 things you can do to force your testosterone to boost as high as possible. First, being around girls. Being around girls has shown to raise testosterone in men significantly. And why wouldn't it? Testosterone is produced in our balls after all. Being around women leads to the feeling of arousal, confidence, and social dominance. Our brain identifies it as us winning from all the other losers who were trying but couldn't be around any fucking girl at all. But you cannot just stand around them like a fucking loser. You must interact with these women as much as possible to spike up that testosterone. You can be flirty, tease them, or just act social. Just don't be the guy who is around women but cannot talk and acts like a fucking loser. Second, semen retention. Semen retention especially is really useful if you want to increase testosterone fast. Yes, it is useful, but the semen retention I'm gonna tell you today is far different from what you have ever heard. Most of you probably cannot even do this. Whenever you are having sex with a girl, stop when you are about to ejaculate. Yes, the feeling you are trying to achieve since the first time you watched porn, don't achieve it. Have sex but don't ejaculate. These triggers and alerts our mind into thinking there are enemies nearby or there is a big danger, and it increases our taste to make you more capable of facing that danger, when in reality you are just manipulating your own brain. Third, sunlight. When was the last time you touched grass, bro? Get the fuck out of your house. Outside from your house, there is sunlight everywhere. Whenever sunlight touches your body, it helps in synthesizing vitamin D, which is linked to testosterone production. Sunlight also helps regulating the body's circadian rhythm. I know most of you fuckers don't understand this. Just go outside. Circadian rhythm has a significant role in hormones of body like testosterone. So make a habit of going outside to absorb sunlight. Go to a park or just go outside your house shirtless and read a book. You can also use your phone, but you can also use this time to talk with girls and increase your testosterone through 2 ways. Fourth, competition. A man who doesn't have competition in his life is just a fucking loser. He's not a man at all. Competition is honestly one of the best ways to increase testosterone. The key function of testosterone is to help a man dominate another man, which happens in the competition. Competition raises your testosterone, especially when you win. So get your lazy ass outside and be more competitive. In other words, just dominate other men as much as possible in anything you can. Fifth, any physical activity. Sprinting. Let's be honest here. We as men were born to fight and conquer this earth. We were born to get physical with other men, physical with weight, and feel the pain in our body. Any physical activity like this will increase your testosterone. That may be fighting, calisthenics, lifting weights, whatever. But you know it's me, so I'll give you the best advice. Sprint. Sprinting engages almost all the required muscles in your body to increase testosterone, and even gives you a spike of adrenaline. So at least sprint for 30 seconds, taking 1.5 minutes of break for 6 sets, 2 to 3 days a week. Logging off.